Hello there, son. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I have many years experience with different softwares and tools. In this video with Affinity, we're going to learn how to create a new document. To create a new document, we need to click on plus sign. And here we have all the settings that we can change. So the first setting here I can change is that you can give it a name like my page. From the current settings which we're going to set right here for our new document, we can create a preset. If I turn off this, so I cannot see any document settings. You can choose from page sizes available from the preset, and you can select preset orientation, landscape or portrait. What settings are there? You can see the document units which we can select, the DPI, the page width, page height, the color format, the color profile. You can turn on this transparent background, artboard if you want to. So image placement, you can select the preferred embedded or preferred length. Next, import text files as linked. You can turn on this option. And preserve text styles, you can turn on this as well. If I turn on this multi-page, so you can see we can arrange it horizontally or vertically. We can start on the right or left. We can set the number of pages. And also I can turn on this default master. Next we have the margins which we can set for our document, the bleed and drawing scale. Now that here we set all the settings for our new document, so we can just click on create document. So this is how we can create a new document with Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.